To change paragraph style to no spacing in Word document on Android phone, open Microsoft 365, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then find Microsoft 365, tap it. Next, select your Word document. You can find in My Files, Phone, or For You. For example, this Word document, and then tap edit icon, select up arrow icon, scroll down the screen. Oh sorry, you must select your paragraph first, for example this paragraph, and then tap up arrow icon, scroll down the screen, select style, and then tap no spacing. Okay, for example this paragraph 2. And then tap up arrow icon, select styles, and then no spacing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.